kasi naghatid kami ng mga cookies kanina sa mga kakilala namin. And now, maghahanda na tayo. Magre-ready na tayo para sa Christmas Eve dinner natin mamaya. So for now, gagawa muna ako ng cake para sa dessert namin. Marinate na rin yung pork belly namin para sa pork roast namin mamaya. So gagawa muna ako ng cake ngayon. So, tapos na yan, sir, guys. Tatapusin ko lang yung cake, and then salad, and then yung pork roast natin for dinner. Love.
We are, mate.
Susunod natin yung cake. Ayan na yung chocolate cake natin. Oh. Ayan chocolate cake natin na may cream cheese filling. And lagyan natin siya ng chocolate ganache and strawberry and decoration. And then guys, nailagay na natin yung pork sa loob ng oven. So mga 1.5 hour maluto. And then magluto ako ng buttered shrimp. And then kasi darating daw yung mama niya at saka yung papa niya. So ayun. Tamang-tama yung pagkain na hinanda ko pang maramihan. Uy, Merry Christmas pala sa lahat. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Yung salad natin, meron siyang candied walnuts, mixed vegetables, apple, red onion, and feta cheese. And then, meron tayong dressing na dito. Ito na yung Christmas dinner namin, guys. Akala ko darating yung mama niya, kaya lang hindi natuloy dumating yung mama niya. So, kami na lang kakain. Ayan. Naglinis si James kanina. Yung couch kanina nandun, ngayon nilipat niya dito para mas malaki yung space para sa aming Christmas tree. milk?
Where are they all at?
I think it's
Why did you just put them there? Why not just this one?
yeah,
Just
that
this
one.
one.
Okay, come
Oh
on.
no, this one.
Is it Santa's milk, man? So Alana put Santa's milk for Santa here.
Mom,
Yes.
whoa,
Yes.
whoa, Mom.
And a cookie.
Mom, will Santa Dad keep
Oh.
this one?
He gonna keep the glass?
Yeah, I think we're gonna
No,
see,
he just gonna leave it there when he's done.
I think we're gonna see half in it eating it.
I don't think yet. Well,
Half
I
eating?
hope he eats the whole lot because do we
Yeah,
want to
'cause-
eat it after he bit it?
Do you think? Maybe he gonna leave one of
Jace,
his.
leave it. Don't put your fingers in Santa's food.
All right, let's go now. Let's turn off the lights and wait for Santa to come.
We got our light, Mom, so we can see it.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Look, we got our
Yeah.
lights so he can see it.
Yeah,
That's
so
right. Oh, I'll put the pan. What if he trips over this?
What that?
andito na si Santa. Alam niyo ba kung anong oras na ngayon? 1:00 ng umaga.